Clearing your browser cache is a good idea for protecting privacy, to protect you from using outdated forms, and helps web applications run smoother on your devices. Now, clearing your browser cache is also important if you make any changes on your website and you want to see those changes reflected. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome along to this channel. I hope you're all having a productive day. Now, I typically get asked all the time, how do I clear my browser cache? This is usually after we request our clients to do this, after we make any changes to their website. So today, I'm going to simply show you how to clear your browser cache on Chrome and Safari, as well as on both desktop and mobile. Okay, so before we dive into this brief tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this brief tutorial. Okay, so how do we clear our browser cache? Well, first I'm going to show you how to do this on the Chrome browser. Simply navigate up to the three dots on the far right hand side, click here, and then navigate down to More Tools. Then on More Tools, come down and click on Clear Browser Data. Then what we can do is navigate up here and we can unselect Browsing History, because all we want to do is clear cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then when you have these two selected, simply navigate down and click on Clear Data. And that's going to clear your Chrome browser cache. Okay, so how can you clear your browser cache on your computer using Safari? Simply go ahead and open up Safari. Then navigate up to Safari in the top left-hand corner, come down and click on Preferences. And under Preferences, what we want to do is click on Privacy, and then come down and click on Manage Website Data. Then here you can select the websites that you want to clear the cache, or you can simply come down and click on Remove All rather than one by one. So for example, if your developer just made changes on your website and they ask you to clear your browser cache, what you can do is simply find your website, let's say this was your website, and then simply come down and click on Remove rather than removing all the cache across all these different websites. It's as simple as that. Now, how can you simply clear your browser cache on mobile device using Safari and Chrome? Well, on Chrome, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up Chrome, then come down to the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, then navigate across and locate Settings. On Settings, simply navigate down and locate Privacy and Security. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. And here you want to make sure that you have cookies and site data selected, as well as cached images and files, similar to how we showed you on the desktop version of using the Chrome browser. Then simply navigate down and click on Clear Browsing Data. Now, how can you clear your browsing data with Safari on your mobile device? Simply locate Settings, then navigate down and locate Safari, then navigate down the page until you find Clear History and Website Data. Then come down and simply click Clear History and Data, and this will clear and remove the history, cookies, and other browsing data. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief tutorial, walking you through how to clear your browser cache on Chrome, Safari, on desktop and mobile. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.